Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be solving two easy questions on LeetCode, and both are related to tree. One will be binary tree pre-order traversal. It will be similar to tree pre-order traversal. Let me just change to Python language. Okay, so it's pretty much easy. Um, we just in pre-order traversal, what happens that you do the operation what you need to do on root first, then you traverse to left node and then right node. So that's all you have to do. And in this case, we have to output the nodes itself. So nodes itself. So I will be appending the root node first into a list. Then I will traverse to the next node. So let me just give if not root, then return just an empty list. Else, I will just simply do um, nodes. Okay, and okay, I'll just def uh, helper. Sorry, and this will do what is that? It'll just root. Okay, let's just create the function here. Helper self root nodes. Okay, root if not root return nodes. Shouldn't be doing that. Just return. Okay, and yeah, return. And otherwise, we will do nodes dot append root dot val. Then we will just self dot helper root left. Sorry, this is not C++. Nodes along with self dot helper root dot right nodes. Simple as that. Just need nodes is equal to this, and we'll call the self helper root nodes. Now this has been done. We can just simply return nodes. Yeah, all cases passed. And it beats 100%. I think there is no more optimal solution than this. Let's do this in C++ as well. So I just need to call um, void helper pre node star root and vector and I will pass in it in reference so that we can do in time change in the vector itself. So if root is equal to null, then return. Otherwise, what I have to do is that nodes dot pushback. This is C++ notation for accessing the value using pointer. accessing the value that has been stored through the pointer, and then we will just simply do uh, helper dot helper and root uh, left and nodes. Okay, first thing, yeah, then helper root right nodes. Simple as that. Then here we will declare another variable, which is a vector nodes. Then we will just simply call helper, passing root and also the nodes in here. And once that has been done, you can just simply return nodes, and this should solve the problem. Okay, there is okay. Silly mistake again, like yesterday. Yesterday, actually, I did a lot of silly mistakes. Not again. Okay. I know when I see a error in C++. I've been doing it for the past like 4 years, so I know 0ms beats 100%. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, now let's do. Mm, we have solved a lot. I think I will just go back and solve another one. Let me just go back and we'll solve the post-order traversal as well. I want to show it to you. Binary tree post-order traversal. Yeah. We'll solve it both in Python and as well as C++. Let's do the Python first. And in post-order traversal, basically what you do is that you first traverse the tree, like you go from left to right, and then when you find, then you do the operation what you need to do on the root itself. So that's how you're gonna do. So in in post pre-order traversal that we route uh, nodes.append root in the first, then we did helper and helper again. In the same way, just in the similar way, in post-order traversal, what you have to do is that you will first write two helper commands, then you will move to operation of root. Okay, let's do it. Nodes equals to this. Then you call self.helper helper and you pass on the root. Here's the nodes. And you again call the self helper on the root. So you pass on the root dot left, and here you pass on the root dot right, and you pass on the nodes, which is a list. And at last, what you have to do is that after you come from this recursion stack, you will perform the operation that is nodes dot append. Uh, just no, no, no. I'm mistaken. Simply just return nodes here, and I will be actually passing in. Yes, yeah. I will just simply pass the root here, and here I will write a helper function, helper which takes self, then root, then takes nodes. Okay, if not root, it will just simply return. Otherwise, what it will do is self dot helper root dot left nodes self dot helper root dot right nodes, and finally we will do the operation on the root itself, which is nodes dot append root dot val. Okay, this should do. This will solve the problem itself. Yes. shit, not sort of humidity here. Yeah, again, bits 100%. Uh, okay, let's solve the question in C++ again, and it will be the same. Uh, Vector in nodes, and I will just going with helper root nodes, return nodes. Okay, and here I will just simply hit void. Mm, Void helper three node star root and vector end. Let's pass it to reference nodes. I have solved this a billion times again before, so I know the trick. If root is equals to null, you simply just return. Otherwise, call helper on left and pass on nodes as well as again helper on right nodes, and at last to push push back and well, hmm, just pass it. Okay, I'm forgetting this one. That's how things happen when you switch between two languages that doesn't have the same format or same syntax. So that's how it happens. Like Python, you don't have the obviously of semicolons, but here you have to put semicolons. It's mandatory. So yeah, again, we have given and 100% solution, 100% beating solution. That's amazing. Tomorrow I might try question number 590, which is an array tree post order traversal. It's, I suppose, a good question, but that's it for today. Please like and subscribe, and you may also share the video to your friends who are in like a DSC training. It will help them. So, thank you.